the spider web stitch. This circle is about a little more than a 1/2 inch, about 0.6 I think, 0.6 in diameter. The string that I chose is approximately 18 inches long, which is probably more than enough. I suggest that you draw a circle on, because you really want to get the lengths of the legs as equal as possible. I wanted to make this long. You could probably do it shorter if you want to do the legs first and then the rose part, because I think this is more of a rose stitch. There's another variation that makes it look more like a spider stitch, and I can show that in another video. But you can, but I'm trying to make it look nice on this side and the other side, and you can check that out in the embroidery playlist under project 1, or in the info cards. I'll put it in there. Okay, so come up through the center of this circle, and now you're going to make little legs going out. You want an odd number. It kind of doesn't matter how many you do, but an odd number's good. But it needs to be an odd number. And I have chosen 7. The magic number, right? Okay. So I did all 7. And now I want to come up through the center. And I'm going to pick one of these and go under, over, under, over. And you're going to go that around and around and around until you fill up the square and you can't see these legs. So it's like a spider web. So that was under, over, under, over. You're not threading at this point, or at least not stitching. You're just weaving in a sense. Under, over, under, over. And the reason you want odd is because now we come to the start, and where I was under, I'm now over. So that's why you need an odd number of legs. The other one, the second variation of this, is more spiderweb-esque. This is used quite frequently in ribbon embroidery. Get a very thin ribbon and you can make this. I would start out with the legs being string and then do the ribbon for the weaving. You probably could do both. Alright, so I want to go around this one more time because I'd like to try and hide that. Actually, what I'm going to do is stick this through this one to the other end, and see, we'll hide that, and then knot it off. And yes, I'm not crazy about knotting it off in the back because you'll see the knot, but again, go see my video and see how I handle that. But for the purpose of showing this video, you just want to knot it off. If you're doing it on, say, clothing, you don't have to worry about the underside. Okay. And trim. So one of the things I would do is trim that. So that is your spider stitch. I like to call it the rose stitch because I think it looks more like a rose. I hope you found this video useful. If you would like to see the larger project that this stitch is in, check out there, or on the in the description box of this YouTube video. Thanks to those who have subscribed to the channel. It really keeps the channel going, and I will see you next time.